After receiving the machine, please check if the packaging box is intact. Use a pair of scissors to cut the straps. Use a cutter to cut the tape in the middle and on both sides. Open the carton. Please read the unboxing guide carefully. Grab the straps to take the styrofoam box out of the carton. Cut the straps. Hold the foam box on both sides to lift it up. Now you will see Vista laser and wooden boards. Cut open the plastic bag. Move the machine onto the tabletop. Take out the crumb tray from the bottom foam insert. Please check if the machine's appearance is intact. Before opening the lid, please remove the transport guard pins first. Open the lid. Remove the foam inside with care, especially surrounding the air hose. You will see engraving test samples and 5 accessory boxes inside the foam. Move the laser head to remove the bottom foam. Use a screwdriver to remove the 4 transport guard screws inside the machine. Place the crumb tray inside. Make sure that the tray frame is stacked on top of the frame on the bottom of the machine. Move the tray forward into place. Now you will see our uniquely designed laser head with 2 fans, Wi-Fi antenna, camera and infrared rangefinder. Cut the tape to take the laser beds out from the top foam insert. Place the laser beds inside. Make sure the sharp edges are facing up. Tear off the warning stickers. Insert the silicone plugs into the holes on both sides to prevent smoke from escaping. Close the lid. Connect one end of the air hose to the air assist. Connect the other end into the air assist import hood at the back of the laser machine and make sure it snaps into place. Plug the power cable into the air assist power port and turn to secure it. Connect the power cord to the power adapter. Plug the power cord into the DC input port. Plug the USB cable into the USB port. Use a wrench to remove the 4 screws from the exhaust port. Loosen the screw to take the clamp off the exhaust hose. Place the hose connector and secure it with screws. Tighten the screws. Connect one end of the hose to the hose connector. Loosen the screw and clamp. Tighten the clamp. Turn on the machine. The laser head will move to the home position. Now your WeCreat Vista has been installed successfully. Turn off the laser machine. Rotate the gear to loosen the jaw base. Line the hose. Assemble the double-step jaws to the base and secure them with M14 screws. Remove the laser beds from Vista. Move the laser head forward. Use a screwdriver to remove 2 screws on the left frame. Place the rotary kit. Make sure the location pane is aligned. Use a screwdriver to secure the rotary kit to its 2 screws. Insert the motor wire end into the socket. There are 2 screws on both sides of the laser head. Turn both screws counterclockwise to unlock the laser head. Turn the laser head downward. Turn both screws clockwise again to lock the laser head. Measure the parameter of your cylindrical material. Hold one end of the tumbler and rotate the gear with your other hand to let the jog lamp fix the tumbler. Adjust the height of the wheels and place the holder under the tumbler to hold it. Now the tumbler is ready for engraving. Place the reference block in the front left corner, next to the left frame. Place a wooden board inside the machine. Make sure it is next to the reference block. Close the lid and it is ready for engraving or cutting. Turn off the laser machine. Take out the laser beds from the laser machine. Remove the chrome tray and close the lid. Prepare the Vista risers. Lift the machine one side with one hand. Take off the base cover. Turn the Vista riser to tighten it one by one. Lift the other side of the machine. Turn the Vista riser to tighten it one by one. Reminder: please place the chrome tray on the desktop before engraving to protect it. Now your Vista laser is ready to process thicker materials.